Welcome to our video on how to easily mine Bitcoin as passive income by choosing MAR mining. As more players enter the cryptocurrency market, traditional mining becomes more complex, demanding significant computing power and leading to high electricity bills and equipment wear and tear. That's why cloud mining is gaining popularity. It offers a more accessible and efficient way to mine cryptocurrencies without the hassles of traditional mining. What is cloud mining? Cloud mining allows individuals to rent computing power from remote data centers to mine cryptocurrencies. This means you don't need to invest in expensive mining equipment or handle the maintenance. Cloud mining providers take care of the equipment, electricity, and maintenance costs. All you need to do is rent the computing power and earn cryptocurrency. How to start cloud mining? Let's walk through the basic steps to get started with cloud mining, using MAR mining as our example. Step 1. Choose a cloud mining provider. MAR mining is a powerful cryptocurrency mining platform that allows you to earn Bitcoin passively, regardless of your technical knowledge or financial resources. Once you've mined $100 worth of Bitcoins, you can transfer them to your account and trade them. The profits are yours, and you can withdraw them to your personal wallet. Step 2. Register an account. MAR mining offers a simple registration process. All you need to do is enter your email address. Sign up now and get $12 for free to start mining Bitcoin immediately. Step 3. Purchase a mining contract. MAR mining provides a variety of efficient mining contract options. Contract prices range from $100 to $5,000, with each package offering a different return on investment and a specific contract validity period. For example, a $100 contract might have a different ROI compared to a $5,000 contract, allowing you to choose based on your investment capacity and income goals. Step 4. Earn passive income. With cloud mining, you can start earning passive income the day after purchasing a contract. This is the goal of every investor and trader. MAR mining offers a straightforward way to achieve this goal, helping you grow your cryptocurrency wealth in autopilot mode with minimal time investment. Platform advantages. Get $12 for free. Immediately after signing up, you get $12 to start mining Bitcoin. Daily earnings. Earn $0.6 just by signing in every day. High profitability, make up to $1,000 a day, depending on your contract. No additional fees. Enjoy mining without any extra service fees. Cloudflare R security protection, benefit from top-notch security for your investments. 24/7 technical support, get help whenever you need it. In conclusion, if you're looking for ways to increase your passive income, MAR mining is a fantastic option. With minimal time investment, you can grow your cryptocurrency wealth effortlessly. Passive income is the goal of every investor and trader, and with MAR mining, you can maximize your passive income potential easier than ever. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who might benefit from this information. Leave any questions or comments below, and we'll be happy to help.